In another incident of drug seizure, one individual was apprehended by Khatkhati Police on 10th August and seized drugs from his possession. On 10th of August, acting upon the specific intel output from its sources, a search operation was conducted near SBI Khatkhati branch. The search operation was conducted jointly by the Karbi Anglong Police and 20 BNC Koi CRPF. The operation was led by SI Atikur Rehman, SI Nitul Saikia and SIP Somdan Swargyari. On suspicion, a vehicle bearing registration number NL077082 coming from Dimapur was intercepted. The vehicle was rigorously searched and recovered 2 suitcases of drugs comprising 24.2 grams of suspected heroin. A person named Lupoigom, 30 years old from Senapati district, Manipur was arrested in connection with this case. Ananterang's report from Bokajan, Karbi Anglong Line.